Good morning, class 7th. Let me start the maths period. Question number 60. A room is 8.42 meter long and 5.38 meter wide. Its floor is to be covered with rectangular tiles. Means a room, there is a dimension, length and breadth are there. You have to tile up the floor of the room. The sides of the tile are 20 meter by 8 meter, means 20 centimeter is length and the 8 centimeter is the breadth. Find the cost of tiles. You have to find out how many money you have to purchase the tiles that have be on the that have be fixed on the surface of a room. Okay, now first of all you have to find the area of the room, but here the area dimensions of the room and the dimensions of the tiles are in different unit. One is in meter and second is in centimeter, so you have to convert the units into the same, or centimeter to meter or meter to centimeter, whichever you think that easy to be. Okay, so here first of all, area of room surface. What is the formula of the area of a room surface? That is rectangular in shape, that is length multiply breadth. Okay, and which is length? 8.42 meter, and what is breadth? 5.38 meter. Now I going to convert meter into centimeter. Okay, when I convert the meter into centimeter, I should be multiply with the 100. So the answer will be 452,996 centimeters square. You have to calculate it in your rough paper. Now area of one tile. Tile is also in the form of rectangular, so area of one tile is length multiply breadth. What is the length of the tile? 20 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. The answer will be 160 centimeter. Now you have to find the number of tiles. How many tiles are there be used to cover the surface of the room? Then you have to be divide the area of the room and the area of the tile. When you divided both of the term, you will get the answer 2,831.225. That is the number of tile you have to find out. Okay, now cost of tiles. There in the question the cost is 2.25 per tile. So the cost of total tiles are, the answer that you get, multiply this number with rupees 2.25. when you multiply both of the term, you will get the answer 6370.25625 rupees. You have to be this amount to purchase the tiles to get up on the floor. Okay, this is the answer. For doing this question, you have to be learned all the identities, all the equations, all the formulas of the related measurements. Okay, now going through the next question. The angles of triangle are in the ratio 5:7:8. These are the angles measurement. Calculate the three angle. You have to find out the actual degree of the triangles. Let be, because the angles are in the ratio, so let the angles in ratios. You have to write down the x with that is 5x, 7x, 8x. Now sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degree. So now add up the angles. 5x plus 7x plus 8x equal to 180 degree. Now add up all the terms. When you add up all the terms, that is 5 plus 7, that is 12, and that is 20x. Okay, now remove the 20 because this is a term to have to be solved with the 180. Cut 0 with 0 and 2 with 9. Now the value of x is 9. So find out the actual value of the angle. So I have to write angles are, there is 5x, that is 5 multiply 9, 45 degree. 7x, 7 multiply 9, that is 63 degree. 8x, 8 multiply 9 is equal to 72 degree. Okay, these are the two questions that I do here. The other question you have to do with the help of the compass and the ruler in your book and make the angles and bisect it or draw a parallel line that you have to do by yourself, that you have learned in your 6th class. Have any problem, discuss with me on the Zoom app at every morning 10 a.m. Thank you.